Hello and welcome to Bestsellers Market, your go-to channel for discovering top-notch products across various categories. I'm thrilled to have you join us today as we dive into the world of cross-stitch. Whether you're an avid stitcher or a curious beginner, today's countdown is sure to inspire and delight you. Today we're featuring the best-selling cross-stitch products on Amazon, hand-picked for their quality, popularity, and rave reviews. These items have captured the hearts of cross-stitch enthusiasts around the globe, and we're excited to showcase them for you. So, without further ado, let's get started on our countdown of the top cross-stitch products available on Amazon. Stay tuned, and let's dive into the intricate, colorful, and rewarding world of cross-stitching. Let's dive into our number 5 pick, a game-changer in the world of cross-stitch and embroidery, the Simthread embroidery thread. 5,500 yards black, 900, 40W at 100% polyester. Imagine having the perfect thread for your brother, Babalak, Janomi, Singer, Faf, Husqvarna, and Bernina machines. It's not just a thread, it's your ultimate embroidery solution. Picture this, 170 vivid colors at your fingertips, ready to transform your most ambitious designs into reality. With an extensive color chart, selecting the exact hue you need becomes a breeze. Seamlessly convert your colors to match your vision perfectly. This is where your creativity meets quality. Now let's talk about size. The upgraded 5000M huge spool thread gives you 5,500 yards of pure, uninterrupted creativity. No more running out of thread in the middle of your masterpiece. Designed for all types of embroidery machines, from home-based to commercial, this thread is your go-to for both large-scale and long-term projects. Quality is paramount, and Simthread delivers. Each spool is meticulously produced to meet CPSC standards, ensuring child-safe and environmentally friendly threads. You can craft with confidence, knowing that every stitch meets rigorous safety standards. Efficiency is key in embroidery, and Simthread excels with its upgraded trilobal polyester. This thread is engineered to handle speeds of up to 1,000 stitches per minute. That's a 20% boost in work efficiency. For colors with slight dyeing variations, a stitch speed adjustment to 600 stitches per minute is suggested for smooth, flawless results. Durability? Absolutely. These threads withstand daily wear and tear, from laundering to bleaching, rubbing, washing, and even perspiration. Your creations remain vibrant and robust, standing the test of time. And here's the best part. Simthread is committed to your satisfaction. Any concerns or issues? Reach out and they're ready to ensure your experience is nothing short of excellent. With Simthread Embroidery Machine Thread, elevate your embroidery game, unleash your imagination, and enjoy a seamless crafting journey. Next on our countdown at number 4 is an embroidery essential that will ignite your creativity and elevate your cross-stitch projects to new heights. The Paxcoo 124 Skeins, embroidery floss cross-stitch thread with needles. Let's delve into what makes this set a must-have for every stitcher, from beginners to seasoned artisans. Imagine opening a pack and discovering 124 skeins of vibrant, lustrous threads. Each one is a potential masterpiece waiting to happen. With approximately 100 bright colors, this set is perfect for crafting friendship bracelets, creating intricate string art, or embarking on any needlecraft project. Whether you're working on a cross-stitch project or exploring new designs, these colors will bring your vision to life. Craftsmanship is key, and Paxcoo delivers with its strong embroidery thread. Made from a polyester cotton blend, this floss is both glossy and smooth, making it a joy to work with. Each skein is a generous 8 meters long and includes 6 strands, giving you plenty of material to work with for various projects. But that's not all. Paxcoo has thought of everything. This set comes with 16 gold eye embroidery needles, sizes #3 to #9, perfect for both cotton and ribbon embroidery. These needles glide through your fabric effortlessly, ensuring your stitching experience is smooth and enjoyable. Need assistance? Paxcoo is dedicated to your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues, simply click the Seller Contact button in your Amazon account. Their team is ready and delighted to assist you, ensuring you have a seamless experience from start to finish. So if you're looking for a comprehensive, vibrant, and reliable embroidery thread set, The Paxcoo 124 Skeins embroidery floss cross-stitch thread with needles is your perfect companion. Let your creativity soar and watch your projects come to life with unmatched brilliance. Let's dive into our number 3 pick on the list, an essential for every embroidery enthusiast, the new Brothread, single huge spool 5000 polyester embroidery machine thread in white. Prepare to be amazed by the versatility and quality of this top-tier thread, perfect for both commercial and domestic machines. Imagine having access to over 1,500 vibrant colors, each ready to transform your embroidery projects into works of art. With new Brothread, you can now select the most popular shades in single, massive spools of 5,000 meters each. Tailor your thread choices to your specific needs, purchasing different colors in the exact quantities you desire. Color conversion has never been easier. Thanks to new Brothread's comprehensive color chart, you can seamlessly convert between Brother and Madeira colors. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to precision with every stitch, as you match the exact hues required for your designs. Durability meets elegance with this thread. Made from 100% polyester, new Brothread guarantees color fastness, high strength, and an exceptional luster. Your creations will not only look stunning but also stand the test of time, maintaining their brilliance through every wash and wear. The ideal weight and length of each spool 40 weight, 120D/2, and a whopping 5,000 meters. Make this thread suitable for all embroidery machines, from home-based models to semi-industrial, industrial, and commercial machines. Home-based users, remember to use an upright thread stand to ensure smooth feeding into your machine. Speed and efficiency are paramount. New Brothread's polyester embroidery thread performs optimally at an average speed of 800 stitches per minute. For those few colors requiring extended dyeing times, a slight adjustment to around 600 stitches per minute ensures flawless operation without breakage. In essence, new Brothread's single huge spool 5000 polyester embroidery machine thread in white is not just a spool of thread. It's a powerhouse of quality, versatility, and reliability. Elevate your embroidery projects to new heights and experience the seamless fusion of durability and elegance with new Brothread. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling cross-stitch products on Amazon? So, if you're feeling threaded with excitement, stitch that like button, subscribe, and press the bell icon to keep your crafting projects in the loop. Coming in strong at number 2 on our countdown is a vibrant must-have for every cross-stitch and craft enthusiast. The Embroidery Floss Rainbow, color 50 skeins per pack. This product is not just a thread set, it's a kaleidoscope of creativity, ready to elevate your projects to dazzling new heights. Imagine opening a pack and being greeted by a spectrum of 50 vivid rainbow-colored skeins. Each color is vibrant and engaging, making sure you have the perfect hue for any project you can dream up. Whether you're crafting friendship bracelets, working on intricate cross-stitch patterns, or diving into arts and crafts with the kids, this pack has you covered. Crafted from 100% high-quality mercerized cotton, each floss is 8.75 yards long and made up of 6 sturdy strings. The mercerization process enhances the thread's sheen and strength, giving your creations a professional and polished look every time. Looking for the perfect gift? This embroidery floss set is an ideal choice for family or friends who love to craft. Its versatility makes it perfect for a variety of projects, from friendship bracelets to string art, tassels, DIY projects, and more. It's especially great for beginners, providing a colorful introduction to the world of embroidery and crafting. But it's not just about the colors and quality. The Embroidery Floss Rainbow Color Pack offers unparalleled support. With 24/7 customer service, you can rest assured that any questions or issues will be promptly addressed, making your crafting experience smooth and enjoyable. In summary, the Embroidery Floss Rainbow Color 50 skeins per pack is more than just a thread collection. It's a gateway to endless creative possibilities, backed by top-notch quality and support. Let your imagination run wild and bring your projects to life with this exceptional embroidery floss set. And now, our number 1 pick in the countdown of the best-selling cross-stitch products on Amazon, the Friendship Bracelet String, 50 Skeins, Rainbow Color Embroidery Floss. This isn't just a collection of threads, it's a vibrant explosion of color and creativity, ready to ignite your imagination and elevate your craft projects. Envision a spectrum of 50 different rainbow colors, each skein offering a burst of hues including blue, green, red, orange, pink, yellow, gray, black, white, and more. Every shade you could possibly need to bring your designs to life is right here, in one comprehensive set. Crafted with flexibility in mind, this embroidery floss ensures no worries about pilling or falling apart. It boasts a long storage time promising durability and reliability. Each floss is approximately 8.75 yards long, providing ample material for your creative ventures, and each skein is tagged with color identifiers for easy selection. What can you do with this fantastic floss? The possibilities are endless. From making friendship bracelets and children's crafts to cross-stitch projects, tassels, and holiday decorations, this floss is perfect for a variety of uses. It's a wonderful choice for children, friends, moms, colleagues, and cross-stitch beginners, offering an accessible and enjoyable crafting experience. Looking for the perfect gift? This floss set is an exceptional choice. Imagine the joy of sharing DIY embroidery sessions with your mom, grandma, friends, or loved ones. Creating together will be a meaningful and memorable experience, filled with laughter, learning, and beautiful creations. In essence, the Friendship Bracelet String 50 Skeins Rainbow Color Embroidery. Floss is not just a top-selling product. It's a catalyst for creativity and connection. Embrace the endless possibilities, indulge in the vibrant colors, and elevate your craft projects with this #1 cross-stitch product on Amazon. Let your creativity soar and enjoy every stitch with this fantastic floss set. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling cross-stitch products on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top sellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.